But first, we're going to do monitoring on this test cluster. So we're going to go ahead and click install. We're going to tell it to just put it into the default project and that we want to customize the Helm options. This is critical. If you don't do this, it will deploy without leveraging any persistent storage. So we want to come down here, and now you can see we have under the edit options these 4 areas: General, Prometheus, Alerting, and Grafana. We're going to touch Prometheus first. We're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to click Persistent Storage for Prometheus. Now it's going to say it's going to grab 50 gigs, and it's looking for that default storage class name that the NFS provisioner has created for us. NFS client, the access mode is going to be read write once. So then we're going to come over here. Don't click next, but come back up, click on Grafana, and you can see Grafana's storage is disabled by default. We want to enable it with a PVC template. It's going to grab 10 gigs. Again, the same storage class and the same access mode, read write once. Now we are ready to go. We can go ahead and hit next. We're going to go ahead and click install. And now it's going to start installing Prometheus and Grafana using persistent storage. And in a moment, it'll pop up a little shell-like window inside of Rancher to show us the installation progress that it's going to be making. So we're going to go ahead and just let this run for a minute while it goes and deploys Prometheus and Grafana. All right, so we can see here that Grafana is now installed with Prometheus, and that it took about 3 or 4 minutes for it to actually complete the process. So we'll go ahead and close this window. We're going to come down here. Now we see monitoring for this cluster, and we'll click this button, and it's going to show us our cluster in Grafana. And this is the default dashboard that you're going to get from Rancher, which gives you a bunch of information within it that you can actually go and see. Again, it's a great starting point from a dashboarding perspective to give you an idea of what's running within your environment. And so this is really kind of the first step to being able to operationalize Rancher and clusters that you're deploying within Rancher.